Welcome again. Let's continue at the products to add additional products at this part. Here I'm going to add go to add product to add new products. Okay, here we go. Let's go to add women clothes, women dress is the title. Here we go to add okay, sorry, I have to go to copy woman beach dress. Okay, there we go. Copy this text, then I have to add this text to be this. Okay, woman beach dress, woman beach dress. Okay, let's go to copy this text and here paste as the title. That's all. Let's scroll down here to see the images. Upload image exactly. Click here to upload your images. Then I have to go to my desktop. Then go to the folder of clothes again. Sorry, to see the products here. Come back again to the clothes. I think I lose. Okay, no, it's good. Okay. This products, woman peach dress. Okay, here we go. Let's continue. Scroll down to see. Okay, this is the original compare price. If we add a new price, so this is the original price. Should be at least 120 as example, and here with the special price it will become. I'm sorry, 80. That's okay. Here we go. Charge tax on this product is okay. Here's the SKU to add some SKU, which is stock, which represents the stock keeping unit, and here's the barcode, some number. Inventory policy. Don't track inventory. No, I encourage you to Shopify tracks this product. I think it's the best user experience. Here's 1,200 products. Allows customer to purchase this product when it's out of stock. If you want to do this product or to do this features, sorry, you have to check this box. But I encourage you, as I mentioned before on the previous product, to uncheck these features. Okay, let's scroll down. Here's the shipping. The weight of this product, I think it's half kilogram. Okay. Fulfill manually. Okay, exactly. Unfortunately, I have to reactivate my window. Okay, this is another story. Let's scroll down to continue. This product requires shipping. Okay, because of its physical products. Variants. If we had different products at the same size, at the same conditions, or under the same condition, under the same conditions and terms, but we have a different size or colors, we can add a variant. So now let's continue. Because of this is the unique product, there is no similar at this point. Let's go to the organize. Okay, organize. Beach dress. Okay. Okay. I'm going to woman beach dress. Okay, add woman beach dress. That's all. With the vendor, we have to add our store of Alabama store. Now let's scroll down. Collection at the home page, as you see. the tags, okay, we have to add the tags, some of these tags, okay, woman. Also I have to add some tags like, okay, this is the dress. Also here I'm going to add new tags, which is beach. Enter. Okay, that's all. Then we have to go, after finishing from adding, we have to go to save products or save changes. So here we go. Here we see view on your online store or create another products. Let's come back again to the front end, add a store. Then we should make some refresh. Okay, here we go. Here we go. Here we see this products are the featured images. Here's the first product with the name of new vintage dress. Here's the woman peach dress. Here we go. Alabama store. If we click at some of these products, here we see the full description. This product, full image size, Alabama store, woman peach dress, the original price 120, the sale price 80, add to cart, full description, share this product through the social media. That's all. Okay, let's come back to the home page to see what happens here. Okay, here we go. At this point, okay, let's go over again to the back end. Here we go to create another product. We may do that directly here or come back. No, I encourage you to create another product quickly. Let's go to choose the new product with the new name, elegant vintage 50 selective swing. Okay, here I'm going to choose or select to copy, then come back again. Here's the description. I'm going to add all of these descriptions. Elegant vintage, copy. Here we go, paste elegant vintage. Let's make scroll down here to make some organization. Product under what? Okay, I think under elegant. Enter. Okay, we have to add elegant vendor exactly. It will be added at the store of Alabama. Also you have to add some vendor name as you'd like. It's your option. Let's scroll down. Collection. Okay, before adding any collections, you have to read. I'm sorry. Add this product to a collection so it's easy to find in your store. So that's all. When we add to the collections, let's go to added for the collection on the home page. Tags exactly for address. Okay, this is a dress. Also we have to it's a woman, it's elegant woman, elegant dress, clothes also. Okay, here we go, clothes. So these are the tags. Now let's go to choose the images. As you see here, upload image. Let's go to upload image. I think this is the elegant. Also this is the elegant, but it's different thing or different story. Okay, here we go. Open. Let's scroll down to get price. Here I'm going to add 250, 170. Okay, 170 with new price. SKU, barcode. So shopping track exactly, quantity 500. Allow customer to purchase. I think no, it's not a good idea. Okay, shipping weight, it's 1.5 kilogram. Okay, fulfillment, yes, it's manually. Let's scroll down. This product requires shipping exactly because of its physical product. It needs shipping exactly. Now let's go to save a product. As you see at this part, here we go. Let's come back to the front end, then make some refresh. Here we go. Here we see the third product with the name of Elegant.